Hey everybody, Dr. Fielding here. Today I'm going to talk to you about an exciting upcoming honors colloquium course called Interdisciplinary Perspectives on COVID-19. In this course, we'll have a team of 6+ faculty who will be collaborating to explore COVID-19 from a wide variety of angles and disciplines. So here's how the course is going to work. I will be there with you all semester every week as sort of the steward of the ship if we were like on a cruise or something like that. But other faculty will cycle in for a couple of weeks to lead us in thinking about COVID-19, its effects, and how we've responded through the lens of their discipline. So let me introduce the team. This is Dr. Crystal Del Valle, who is an immunologist in the biology department. She's going to help us understand the science basics about COVID-19, how viruses work, what the coronavirus family is like, and how vaccines and immune response work. Next up, we'll be looking through a public health lens with Dr. Crispin Pierce from the Watershed Institute. This unit will look at public health communication strategies, simulations about how vaccines affect disease spread. Dr. Pierce might even be able to involve us in his ongoing research about different ways to measure the spread of COVID-19 on campus. Then we'll get to work with an actual public health director. This is Angie Weideman, who is the public health director of Chippewa County. We'll hear from her about what it's been like to be a public health director during this time and her experience with things like the governor's mask order. Next up is Dr. Jessica Craker, who is a statistician in the math department, and she'll be helping us understand the data around COVID-19. She's built this amazing Eau Claire COVID dashboard that is designed to help us make sense of all of the data and to make good decisions based on it. So the pandemic has affected different populations quite differently, and a lot of inequities have been exposed. We'll be bringing in some experts from Milwaukee and Madison to help us understand the racial inequities of COVID-19. We'll also be working with Dr. Pam Foreman from sociology, who'll help us understand how gender has inflected people's experiences and outcomes, as well as the experiences of queer folks during the pandemic. I'll also be teaching a unit, so I'm a literature scholar. So we'll be reading a little bit and thinking about what the literature written during and about this pandemic might be able to tell us about it, what it might add to this conversation. So this course is integrative learning at its finest. We'll have professors from across the university bringing lots of different disciplinary expertise into conversation to help us understand the COVID-19 pandemic from a holistic and integrative perspective. We hope you'll join us. Just send any questions my way.